In a workplace, accidents can happen, and when they do, having the right supplies can make all the difference. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of selecting and stocking first aid supplies in your workplace. Your first aid supplies are like the safety net for your employees. Next, explore the process of selecting and stocking these supplies for a safer work environment. So here are the key considerations to keep in mind. Assess your workplace specific needs and risks. Choose supplies in accordance with the number of employees. Ensure first aid kits comply with industry regulations. Regularly inspect and restock first aid kits. Educate your employees on the location of first aid supplies. Having the right supplies in hand means that your employees can receive immediate medical care in the event of injury or a medical emergency. It's not just about compliance, it's about their well-being and safety. Selecting and stocking first aid supplies is your commitment to a safer workplace. Because in your workplace, safety is well prepared.